HyperDocs are a great new tool to use with your students. They can be pretty self-sufficient, and you just provide them all the information that they need. To get started with one, just click on New Google Doc. And we're going to make ours on rocks and minerals. So I'm going to go ahead and say rocks and minerals. And we'll make this a title. I'll do this a little bit bigger. Okay, now the next thing that I want to do is go ahead and add in a table. So I'm going to click on table, and I just want 2 columns actually. So the first thing I'll do is put information to teach me, and then I learned. Okay, so what you end up doing, and we can actually make this color code them. So let's see, my paint can is right here. We'll make this blue. So the first thing, in the interest of time, I've gone ahead and typed a few things here. So the first thing we can do is take a look at this website on rocks and minerals. And then I can put the web address. So the rocks and minerals right here. Control copy. Put that, right here in my box. Then I'm going to go ahead and gray this one out so the students know they shouldn't write in this one. Then I'll go ahead and ask a question. So right here, control copy. All right, so then if they click on this website right here, which is this one right here, then the answer is right here. And so then they can go ahead and fill that out. So let's go ahead and add a couple more questions. And actually, I'm going to put that one down here because this is going to be a new place. So we're going to go here to a new website. Right here. And actually, we can go ahead and click right here and get this specific site here for our students. And again, I'll go ahead and gray this one out here. And then there's my website. And then they can answer this. Now, if I want to add another row, I can just tab down. And so watch this video on rocks and minerals. Okay, so now I can go ahead and put a video in here. So I've chosen this video, which is kind of a neat video, but it starts off with all of this silly advertisement at first. So there is a trick that you can actually go ahead and change your URL up here to go ahead and make it so that kids only start where they need to be starting. So how to do that is a little complicated, but not too bad. You just take this watch question mark out, and then we just put this slash in here, get rid of the equal sign. And now what we need to do is put a question mark, start, and then this is by seconds. So I want it to start at 1 minute, and then I have to put the and sign, and I want it to end at the end of it, which I'm going to say is 375 seconds, which that's 6 minutes and 15 seconds. And then I just click right there. And there my video starts right where I want it to. So I can control copy this. I can put it in here, and I can also just take this and say video, highlight this right here, and go ahead and put a link, paste that link right there and apply. And so now when students go to that link, they get to my shortened video instead of the one that has all of the other stuff at the beginning of it. So that's basically how to create a HyperDoc. This is just a short one. The other thing that you can do is you can add a GIF in here. So I want to maybe find one, so I can find an image. You can add images in all of your deals as well. I can click here on Tools, and I can look for animated rocks. And so I've already picked this one, and you can just go ahead and view the image, and you can save the image as. And I already did that. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to go ahead and insert my image. And I've got it right here. It'll go ahead and upload it. And there it is. So students also have a little GIF in here that they can see a little animation. The other thing that you can do is you can change the color of your page. So if you go in here to File, Page Setup, you can change your page color. Change it to purple. And there we are. There's my HyperDoc. Now, with this HyperDoc, I can go ahead and share this HyperDoc in my Google Classroom, and students would have all of the information that they need to complete this. It's kind of like an online worksheet, but they get some interactive kinds of videos and pictures and things like that to help them find the answers that they need for their research. So, with that, give HyperDocs a try. And if you want, I've got lots in this email. I've got lots and lots of great uses for HyperDocs and some resources of how to create them.